Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts. Oh well, this is the second time already today we're looking at it. First video we were talking about why Bitcoin is so bullish. Well, institutions are buying and they have been buying 75,000 Bitcoins off of exchanges this week. Where like the last 7 days, and about 50,000 Bitcoins off from Coinbase alone. That is really significant if you take in mind the total supply ever will be of Bitcoin is 21 million. So what is causing this extreme crypto bull market? Well, it is the dollar weakness. And right now we are looking at the DXY, the US dollar currency index. And we can see it is weak. It is very weak. Over here we had the 2017 Bitcoin boom, Bitcoin bull market, and right now, I mean, we see the dollar plumbing down, kinda, almost to 2017, 2018 lows, and we are in a bull market now. So, yeah, we see that correlation, of course. Right now, what can stop the bull market is a really strong bounce for the dollar, and I don't see it coming. The dollar is looking very weak. If the dollar is showing strength, that can, of course, bring weakness to crypto. For now, it looks very weak, and as long as the dollar goes down, we have extreme crypto FOMO. So that's about that. Something very good just happened. The S&P CME futures just opened. And they went up. Let's go to the 5 minute. We see a big wick over here, but they go up. And that is bullish, likely. New highs, new all-time highs for the S&P 500 index. Really crazy, but also because of the dollar weakness. And yes, hello, the Bitcoin CME futures gapped up yet again. I mean, the thing is, you know, CME futures, let's put it in logarithmic. Always make sure your chart is in logarithmic, guys. Very important. And yeah, they just gapped up and they are going higher. Nice, very nice. So yeah, they're closed in the weekend. And if they gap up, a lot of people will short Bitcoin because they think gaps will be closed and get closed. And in the history that always used to happen as well. Right now the gaps are so big and so far away, I don't know if we will close them. For now, I don't think so. Look at that gap, guys. That is like a solid $3,000 gap, more than. So yeah, crazy. And in the past, like I said, they always get closed. However, now I'm not so sure because the buying strength, the spot buying strength of Bitcoin is very strong. Taking a look at the fundings and premiums. Premiums are kind of high, fundings are kind of high. I think Bitcoin will consolidate here a little, which is totally fine. I mean, we're making some highs and some lows. They're all like, we're just consolidating. We will probably go sideways for a bit, consolidate around 33,000. That is what I'm expecting. And in the meantime, I don't expect big dips for Bitcoin. They can go higher, but I don't expect big dips for Bitcoin really. And what happens if Bitcoin is consolidating? Well, we already saw what happens if that happens. Well, Ethereum went up a solid 25% today. Really crazy. Let's zoom out. I mean, we had this rising wedge in the making, scary looking. We had a fake out to the downside. And I mean, my first target for Ethereum was $840. That is what I've been looking at lately. And we're already at $1,000. And yeah. And I've always been saying, if Ethereum starts mooning, you know, it is alt season. So right now, this video, we will look into a couple of alts because really right now, Ethereum gave the start sign. Bitcoin, of course, gave the start sign. But right now, I think it's time for the alts. and the alts will play catch up. Ethereum started it off today. Ethereum is kind of the Uber alt, I would say. They're leading all the alts. And right now they're at this resistance over here. $1,000. Amazing. Amazing. And I'm very happy. I feel like I've won the jackpot because I'm a really big Ethereum hodler. So yeah, very, very cool. I mainly trade on leverage Bitcoin, so I will always focus on Bitcoin about leverage trading. Also, I do play alts because I never say no to free money. Taking a look at Ethereum BTC, and what a rise. What a comeback for Ethereum BTC. Like just today, what is it, 25%, 24%? Or more even. Let me take a look. I mean, yeah, 23%. Crazy. Completely loco. They just broke all the resistances. The daily candle will close in about 40 minutes from now. If you watch the video, it will probably be a bit less. But yeah, this trend line, big resistance. They broke it just over here. This horizontal that was this high over here. They broke it as well. This top, and they broke it as well. And then this trend line, they broke it as well. I mean, that is like, I've never seen a crazy daily candle like that before. Just in one candle from here to here. Wow, it's completely crazy. Ethereum, bull market for sure. I think Ethereum BTC can easily go over here at the top of this year, and Ethereum USD will be at all-time highs. Taking a look at Link. Link is a very strong altcoin with a really good. This is some alt. Let me remove this. That was an old chart I was drawing. I draw crazy, I would say. We like to take daily tops of daily candles, and this one, and it broke this one. Next up is this trend line over here. They broke this one really nicely, so the next one for Link is this trend line over here. And really, it's looking very good. We can see the VPVR over here, the volume per price range, and it broke that as well today. And that is very good. So yeah, what are the levels to break for Link? That is exactly $14.50. And over here, I would say $16. Next up would be this one. And it's just about walking the stairs, $17. And over here, the all-time high, I would say $20. Those are the levels for Link to beat. And I mean, it's looking very good. Very, very good. Another line that could come into play for Link USD would be this one. This is a trend line, will be resistance. So these are all resistances, levels to watch. Buy when one of those levels breaks. And that is how you get confirmation. Link USD, Chainlink, having a really nice day as well. A breakout as well. It's really easy to see. We're on the hourly. Oh wow, this one was low. This one was so low. And I know this looks scary. But this is actually a good place for it to bounce. And it should bounce over here. And they will bounce. They're already bouncing. I mean, you see tops over here, tops over here. So this range is very important, putting it like this. And they're doing great work on the daily. They're having a big strong engulfing on the daily candle. And that means continuation to the upside. Going to the hourly, we can see a clear break over here. A clear break to the upside, trend line. It's really simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate trading. They had some consolidation against resistance and broke it. And right now it is about making that higher high. And they're doing that, well, or about to. They just rejected a little from it. But as soon as they break this one, it is long and longs only, guys. US, USD. Taking a look at the daily. This is some old lines I had in there. And US is not performing that great yet. I've expected more from them already. For now, they haven't shown anything. But if you want a coin that is, well, still needs to make those big steps, it could be EOS. The fundamentals for EOS are very good, but right now they still have some levels to break. If you want to be sure of a trade, make sure they first make a step to $3.3 or this one $4. Very important. But if you want to keep it like buy it on the low, the fundamentals for EOS are very good. You can take a gamble at EOS for just $2.80 per EOS coin. I mean, for me, a bull market in EOS is confirmed if they break $4. And I mean, these are the levels to watch for EOS. So if I had to place a trade in over here, I would place it like this. A confirmation for the long is if they break this trend line and you put your stop below this red box. And over here, you know, you can easily take profit or you can ride it to all-time highs. And that is still far away. Binance is kind of old, I believe. They didn't add it at the very beginning because I believe they were even higher. Definitely a bull market for Litecoin. They made higher highs, confirmed the higher highs, really easy, and they will go for their all-time highs. Pretty sure about that. They could go for $400. It's a long opportunity already. Road to there. And that would look something like this. You get in over there, and where do you put your stop? I mean, if you are gonna look at it, I would say somewhere over here, just below 130. And it is a really good risk to reward ratio. Be careful playing with leverage on alts, I would say. They do sometimes have nasty wicks. That's why I always play with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, I know their markets are very liquid and it's not so easy to make a little scam wick in them. Ethereum, BTC, like I said, yearly high for me is the target. Ethereum USD, I mean, easy target, $1,400. I'm a long hodler. I won't be selling them anytime soon. And Bitcoin, I mean, it's consolidating very well. What we are seeing right now, let me remove the drawings, is we have a low over here. So why are we consolidating? We have a low over here. It's around $30,000. We have a high over here. That's around almost 35. Then we have a low over here. That's a higher low compared to this one. And then we have a lower high. So right now we could be doing something like this between those lines, and whichever breaks, that will be the next trend for Bitcoin, I would say. And that is about it. If you want to trade with some leverage, make sure you use one of these sign-up links, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to also, if you want to trade with some leverage, the sign-up links are over here. If you use one of these sign-up links, you can always slide into my DMs or respond with a question, or you want to talk to me, you want tips, questions, let me know. Trading hacks, let me know, because I'm always down to help you guys. And yeah, that is about it. Make sure to use one of these sign-up links and subscribe and leave a comment. So I see you guys again tomorrow, and happy trading.